Okay, so I got some chicken thigh, skinless. This is a family pack, so I will be feeding my family. Here is the chicken that we marinate for 30 minutes. It smells so good. Our egg wash, heavy whipping cream. Our pork rind with Parmesan cheese. You could use a whole bag and half cup of Parmesan cheese. And then I got my pan with the silicone mat. If you guys don't have one and you want to pick it up at Amazon. Cause I got 2 of this, one for cookies and one for baking, for about $10. If you get one of this at Walmart or wherever, it's $10 for one. But at Amazon, you get 2 for the price of one, and I really like it. It's a half sheet, and I got 2 for the price of one. So if you guys want one, I'll put the description on below. I got mine from Amazon, but you can get it anywhere. But cause I found one at Walmart for I think $10, and then I looked up Amazon. I was like, hey, I get 2 for the price of one, and I got 1 for my cookies too. So let's assemble our chicken. waffle is perfect. Okay, you guys, this is one of the recipe on my channel that you guys have to try. I made a whole meal for my family, so it's something you guys could put together for your family also. And yeah, if you guys like this, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more recipe, hit the subscribe button and ring that bell. Thank you for joining my channel.